Hey guys, welcome back to another video. In this video we are going to see how to install Docker on a Mac. So let's begin. So we have two methods to install Docker on a Mac. The very first method is installing via brew. You just need to copy this command brew install docker and just run it in your terminal to get the Docker installed on your Mac. It's a faster way of installing Docker. Note that if you are using this method to install Docker, you must have brew installed on your Mac. Else, install brew first, then Docker via this command. You can install brew by simply running this command in terminal, but I won't be installing the Docker via this method as my Mac is running on this Mac OS and it's not mentioned in Intel based Mac, and I have an Intel based Mac. So we will be installing Docker via method 2. So let's see method 2. So we will be installing Docker from official Docker page. To install Docker, just write install Docker on Mac and click on this very first link. Here choose the appropriate system. I will be choosing the Docker desktop for Mac with Intel chip. Click on save. Let's wait for it to download. Let's open the DMG downloaded. Drag and drop this Docker icon into the applications folder. Simply close this. One more thing to notice, if we are installing Docker via this second method, you will get the GUI, which is this GUI application. So let's open it. Click on open. Just click on accept. Click on finish. Enter your Mac password. Click on allow. I will skip this as for now. I will skip this also. If you are seeing this pause menu here, it means your Docker is up and running, or you can simply check by opening terminal. Docker -- version to check the version installed. We have Docker 28.0.1 installed on a Mac, or you can simply write docker info. To stop the Docker running, yes, you can click on this Docker icon and click on quit Docker desktop. Then your Docker will stop running. Then you will be seeing error here. Your Docker is not up and running. Is Docker daemon running? Means your Docker is not running at the moment. You simply need to restart the Docker. Then a Docker engine will start. And now if you will hit this command again, you won't be getting any errors. You can simply write other commands like docker images to check all the images you have. At the moment we don't have any, so we will get this line only. So that's all for this video. Hope you like this video. If you did, make sure to hit the like and subscribe button. See you in the next video. Until then, peace out.